Hey y'all, happy Thursday. Busy working away, y'all. In my office, about to have me a little snack or whatever the case may be. It's 10:47. I really haven't had breakfast. It's not even I didn't have it at all. So I'm getting ready to try these kiwi fruit that I've been seeing online. People been trying them. And I saw them at Kroger the other day, so I picked them up and we'll try those. Along with some Ritz crackers and some water. But hopefully everybody has been having a good week so far. All of that good stuff. And yeah, have a good one. Okay, y'all. So this is the fruit that I was talking about. The sweeter golden kiwi. I gotta go rinse it off, y'all. And I'm gonna open it up and hopefully I can slice it open and let y'all see if it's really golden on the inside and if they taste sweet. I like kiwi, excuse me, y'all. I don't usually buy it, but we gonna see. Let me go rinse it and I'll be back. All right, y'all. So here is the kiwi cleaned. And I just sliced one open, well, the best that I could with my plastic. But it's not very orange, but it says slice and scoop. So I'm gonna slice it and scoop it and see. Let me taste it. Oh shoot, y'all know I'll be in here. It's very sweet. That's good, y'all. It looked like a big old grape, don't it? But I will say the ones I was seeing online were a little bit more oranger than this. There's probably not a word, but a little bit more orange. But we still gonna eat these, and they were definitely really dirty. Had to clean these good, but they have a different color. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna eat these little kiwi up, and then got some Caribbean churches. Usually when I get Caribbean jerk, they are a little bit more sweet. Well, half a sweet. It actually is a wet wing. I was thinking something similar to Buffalo Wild Wings, but these are dry and they're nice and crispy. The salad is good too. That's it right there. Crunch. Little dressing on there. We need some pepper. And these wings are alright, y'all. I really like my wings with sauce. It's a Memphis thing. We like to have a little sauciness on our wings. So I'm just gonna take the rest of these home and put a little sauce on them. And then cause the flavor is, yeah, but it reminds me really of a highly seasoned wing. And I asked for extra crispy, so they are. They did a really good job with that. So I feel like once I put my barbecue sauce or whatever sauce I put on there, it's gonna be good. Anyway, I'm done with the wings. On to that salad. It's really pretty. I guess they be bringing everything. They want everybody to kind of sit down. Grill is gone, yeah. Can't take her nowhere. They done played the twist and she don't know how to handle it. Look at the lady doing a twist off. Look, she doing a twist off with her. It's on before. You know Mama, you say hey. Hey y'all. I am at Slim and Huskys. And we are waiting on pizza. And when I say we, I mean April. You know me, April is my weekend lunch date, y'all. But anyway, I didn't get, let me see if y'all can see, but the menu, you really can choose a special pizza, or you can mix and match, or create your own, or whatever the case may be. I don't know, we always go to pizza restaurants. That's why I just thought about April keep bringing me to a pizza restaurant. But here are the drinks, y'all. Look at those drinks. They got all kinds. We had the pineapple cream soda the last time, but I got a salad. I'm waiting on some meatballs to go with mine. I'm just gonna opt out of the bread today and just eat a little meat and vegetables. But I'll show y'all what it looked like when I get there. But that salad look bomb, don't it? They barely want to give me some dressing. The dressing. Ranch dressing. Okay, now here my meatballs are, y'all. I smell a heavy scent of Parmesan. That's April's pizza. It looks good. Obviously it got some shrimp in it. Y'all notice nothing changed since the last time.
You sure?
And shrimp in a piece of the last time.
You ain't got me put my business out like that.
But I don't know. We're gonna eat these meatballs. It has, y'all, it's just a baked meatball. We got some onions, some green peppers, and jalapenos with some cheese. Salad. Some braid shops. We're getting ready to pass my cousin's dog shop, y'all. So anybody that's in Memphis, check out Dog Team Apparel. That is my cousin's. They're getting ready to close now. And I always like to have Cody with me when I go to a pet store. So I'll go back Wednesday. I started off with the beauty shop this morning, then left. I went to a walk-in ortho appointment. Then I left there, I had an eye appointment. Then I met my friend April, and all of that has been going on since about 7 this morning. So I'm ready. I hadn't been home, and it's 4:30. That's a whole full shift. And actually, I said I want to go to the grocery store too. So depending on how I feel when I get closer, I might go ahead and go. If not, it's something that can wait until, yes, I'm about to run this light, y'all. Woo! And watch me wait. Honey, y'all, everybody's so scared of police officers these days, babe. I'm telling you something. This is what I thought about once before. Anyway, if I'm ever pulled over by an unmarked car, baby, they're gonna have to follow me onto the precinct, baby. Listen, I have my flashing lights, emergency light. I go 10 miles an hour. But we gonna go to this police precinct. So, because I want to make sure you are who you say you are. Because there are people, I've seen stories all over the news and, all over. So everybody, y'all be careful with that too. There are people who will pretend to be police officers and not really police officers. You can go and buy things like police scanners, not scanners, but police lights and things like that. And so you want to be careful when you get pulled over. And, it's sad, but, we all have to think about the things, the way we react when we are pulled over. Those are just conversations you got to unfortunately have with your family, your kids, things like that, just how to be able to engage with an officer. All officers are not bad. We really need police officers. We really do. We need correctional facilities. We need these type of things. But, that one apple or couple apples can really put a whole negative outlook or view on the entire team. But I personally know good police officers. But, obviously it's a lot of work to do with trying to repair the relationship. Any and everything that we do affects, not just ourselves, but the people that are around us. Anyway, I done talk. I don't know how much I'm gonna keep in because I done been rambling, and some of that ramble don't make no sense. So I was on my way to dinner. I went to Half Shell, took myself to dinner. Sometimes you gotta be able to just enjoy yourself, y'all. I had me some good old oysters and some spatchcock chicken. It was good. Really good. Enjoyed it. Really good. These are half and half. So this kind is the oyster Bienville. And these are oyster, just regular grilled oyster. But I usually get the half and half that has the Rockefeller. The Rockefeller is like the spinach and stuff. But this time I saw these grilled. I said, can I get the grilled? Man, these are so damn good. Anyway. I ordered them. Yeah, hang on. Make a smile, Joe. Get it. Look at her smiling at her dad. Ah, look at her smiling at her daddy. Look at her kicking her feet. Yeah. Cause girls is players too. Bitches get money all around the world. Cause girls is players too. Thanks for watching, y'all. Take care.